At Grundy, we get it. Grundy Worldwide is a specialty insurance niche insuring collector cars. We spend a lot of time advertising in all sorts of media and a strong emphasis on television shows specializing in car events. We went to Perlow Productions to have them produce some commercials, some 30-second spots that we could air on car shows that got our message and our image across. And it's just amazing how many people come up to our staff at the car shows and say, "Oh my gosh, I saw you guys on TV, it looked great, tell us more." So it works. When we decided we needed to make these commercials, we knew that we had to pick a company that would produce a quality product at the end of the day, albeit a humorous shoot, but a friendly shoot. And Perlow is able to do that and still retain a very professional look to our brand at the same time. That's a tough twist to pull together when you're trying to be a little bit homey but a little bit professional at the same time. And we achieved that goal with Perlow.